How to change Google account phone number. Hi everyone, this is Max. I hope you are doing great, so let's start without wasting time. First of all, open up your settings. Now scroll down a bit and tap on Google. Now tap on manage your Google account. Now go to personal info. Under contact info, tap on phone. Now tap on your phone number and tap on the pencil icon. Tap on update phone number. Now change your phone number and tap on next. Tap on get code. Now enter the code and tap on verify. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe our channel for more awesome content. Have a warning question, want to suggest a topic? Drop down a comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.